Welcome! Today I want to show you the new website of Pyrobel fire-resistant glass by AGC. We will start by going to the website agc-pyrobel.com. Enter. You can see the homepage. Choose the right country for you. For example, others. At the right side, you can find documentation. Click to get a brochure, technical datasheets, and other interesting documents. You can click on products, or you can go to the specific product you need. Pyrobel, Pyrobel Light, Vision Line, Pyrobel T, or Pyrobane. To go back to the home page, you just click on the logo, and you go back at the start. Then there is information that is mostly interesting for architects. Here you can find more information about regulations and classification, design and combinations, and DOP and CE marking. For trade partners, there is information about fire tests, storage, processing, and installation. A really nice tool on the website is a product selector. Here you can search for the right glass for your project, and you can also download the certification of the fire test with all technical details. To get a certification, you need a login that you can easily get by making one here. Not all countries have a product selector. There will be a tutorial on the product selector coming soon. Here you can find news to inform you and the case studies that can inspire you. To know more about Pyrobel and AGC, click on About Us. There is information about Pyrobel's long-term expertise and the environment. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you have any questions, please go to Contact and send an email. Make sure you choose the right country to contact the right person. Have a nice day.